Well, Hurricane Harvey presented challenges for many right here in the coastal bend, but for researchers over at Texas A&M University who study oyster reefs, it was a big win. Chris 6 News reporter Ashley Portillo joins us now from A&M University.
You're certainly right, Priscilla. Harvey did cause devastation for nearby towns, but for the staff and students at the island university, the storm also provided them with a chance to learn about one of their research projects. Researchers and students at Texas A&M Corpus Christi are using Harvey as a learning lesson. 2 weeks before the hurricane made landfall, one of the newest habitat restoration projects, called the St. Charles Bay Oyster Reef, was finished. Then Hurricane Harvey hit. Afterwards, researchers didn't know what they would find.
We got out to the reef for our first monitoring. A couple of weeks after Hurricane Harvey, the reef was still there, and we've seen a new set of larval baby oysters have already attached onto this oyster reef.
The reef is 2,000 feet long and runs parallel to the shoreline. It was built as a shoreline protection project to help break large waves and fronts from impacting nearby land. But it was also to provide a new habitat for oysters and other sea life. So far, the reef has done its job, but now the restored oyster reef is being used as a classroom underwater.
It really gave us the opportunity to try to understand the effect of these large-scale disturbances on habitat restoration. Those are things that are really difficult to plan for because you really need a large-scale disturbance to occur.
The reused oysters come from local seafood restaurants and cellars. Once they are collected, they are taken back to the water and placed in there to build a new oyster habitat.
We're going to follow the progression of these oysters over the next year to year and a half to try to understand how does the reef recover and how do the organisms come and reestablish themselves after the hurricane.
Now, researchers say the information learned from studying oyster reefs will be useful for habitation restore efforts throughout the world. Reporting live for Chris 6 News, I'm Ashley Portillo.